A major fire tragedy at a Bhubaneswar hospital on Monday evening has left 20 people dead and over 100 injured. The fire, which broke out at the SUM hospital, started in the dialysis ward on the second floor of the facility and rapidly spread to other wards like the ICU. The Odisha government has ordered a high-level probe into the incident. Questions are now being asked about whether there was criminal negligence on part of the hospital. Patients at the hospital say no announcements were made to evacuate them. There was utter confusion and critical patients were brought out without life support. In fact, the Vice-Chancellor of the Medical College affiliated with the hospital has said many of the staffers, instead of helping the patients, fled the scene.
करीबन 8 बजे था। मैं और मेरे भतीजा बैठे थे। मैंने देखा कि इधर-उधर लोग भाग रहे हैं। तो क्यों भाग रहे हैं? देखने के लिए बाहर गए, देखा तो आग जल रहा था। फर्स्ट फ्लोर में आग जल रहा था। स्टाफ सब भाग गए, कोई कुछ नहीं बोला। तो पेशेंट को जो उसका लोग लेके भाग गए। हमने पूछा क्या हुआ ना, आग लगी है। तो हमने भी अपने पेशेंट को लेके आ गए। फायर एक दिन नहीं बोला, डॉक्टर नहीं बोला, अनाउंसमेंट नहीं हुआ, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। हमने अपने आप रिस्क लेके हम आए।
Evacuating the patients, making sure that suddenly we do not disconnect the ventilator, because that will be almost like killing the patient ourselves. 20 is a huge number. That is why, we have said that we are mourning the deaths. But you have to understand that this number of 20, quite a few people died of asphyxia. Sir, our safety audit is a continuous process and we do it on a very regular basis. The last safety audit was done approximately 4 weeks back.
They were brought in a very hurried mood and they were entered into our hospital. 14 of them were already dead. And 5, without any life supporting measures, they arrived and they were immediately taken to ICU.
So the ones who were brought dead also did not come with life support measures?
No.
They were just...
Yeah. Without any life supporting measures.
All right, and tracking that story for us is my colleague Saurabh Gupta, who now joins us with the very latest from Bhubaneswar. Saurabh, even as we talk about whether there was criminal negligence on part of the hospital that resulted in the loss of so many lives, we now have before us an audit report that was carried out by the fire department in 2013, which had actually warned of an impending fire disaster at this hospital. The report apparently says the hospital had violated fire safety norms. The question is, if such a report had existed since 2013, why was no action taken against the hospital?
Well, yes, there is such a report that